Welcome back for another tasty episode of Dash of Kimballism Cooking. Today I have a delicious salad in mind. It is a Quinoa and Mango Salad to be exact. Now this is a sweet, packed with protein salad. I love eating this stuff before I get on my e-bike, when I'm riding my e-bike, and after my e-bike rides. It is delicious, easy to make, and I'm gonna go over all the steps. But first, we need to go over the shopping list. Now that we've got our shopping list done, we're going to take a cup of quinoa, rinse under cold water, and drain. And it'll be ready for the Instant Pot. Now that our quinoa is rinsed, let's pour 1.5 cups of water into the Instant Pot. About 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And our rinsed quinoa. And we're going to want to mix that really well in there. Secure the lid and move the pressure release valve to the sealed or locked position. Cook high pressure for 1 minute. When cooking is complete, use natural release for about 10 minutes. Then release the remaining pressure. Place the quinoa in a large bowl, cover loosely, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. So let's cut our mangoes into squares, cut up our green onions, and get our parsley all chopped up and ready to go for our next step. Now that we've got our mangoes and our onions and our parsley all chopped, it's ready to pour in some of the ingredients. So let's start with some olive oil. Next, let's do the white wine vinegar. I'm gonna whisk that up a little bit. Great. We're going to throw in our pepper. Get that in there, really good. Some salt, the rest of the salt. Whisking that in there really good. Now, let's put in our parsley. Get that all in there. Our onions. Mix that all in. Our mustard. Our cranberries. This is going to be such a nice salad. And let's throw in our mangoes. Get that all kind of mixed in there. Now, got all that kind of mixtured. I don't think we need a whisk anymore. Oh, look at that. Yeah, let's switch to this. Mixing that up really well. Okay, this is such a tasty dish. Now, we will pour this all over our quinoa. Look at the beautiful colors, I'll tell you. It's just vibrant. And you want to mix it in really well. Let's use a spoon too. Yeah, we just want to mix the quinoa. Look how beautiful this is looking. Looks very healthy too, doesn't it? And it is. Yeah, this is such a tasty salad for when you really kind of need a little energy pick me up. The protein in this and all the wonderful flavors. All right, now it's time to try it out and see how tasty it is. Now you know how to make a delicious Quinoa mango salad. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, subscribing, and all your great comments. I am going to sit back and relax and enjoy this healthy, nutritious treat. Love the mangoes.